So the last thing I'm going to do is my sound effects. And I use this technique on every story I've made so far. I fill in a layer with black, then I add a mask hiding the black fill, and then I add a stroke to the entire layer. And you can do that in the layer properties tab when you double click on any layer in Photoshop. Then I just hand draw the sound effects. And when doing this, I'm just trying to accurately depict the emotion and texture of a sound through the design of each letter. Sometimes I'm a little more sloppy and carefree because I find there's humor in that.